Hello everybody, and my name is Fahad, and this video is about the in operator in the MySQL. Okay, in the last video we have learned about the wildcards. Alright, so in this video we'll be talking about the in operator. So first, just let me define you what is the in operator. In operator allows you to specify multiple values in the where clause. Okay, so it could be the shorthand for the multiple or conditions. All right, so let me just show you how does it work. Okay, so let me just write the code first. Select country table from where continent in. Alright, so now you can see here that I have already defined the in operator. What it does, that it allows you to have multiple the values in the where clause. So this is the shorthand for the multiple or conditions. So what does this mean? That show me the countries whose continent is could be Asia and Europe as well. Alright, so you can see the continent that it is only the Asia or the Europe. Let me just give you an example with the integer values or the numerical values where life expectancy in 78.4 as well as 45.9. Now you can see here it is only giving me the values whose life expectancy is 78.4 or 45.9. So the in operator gives you the kind of multiple values in the where clause, and this is how it works. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.